Public service announcement. This is a public service announcement. The following tutorial contains information on the program Wondershare Filmora. Please be advised there may be vulgarity or strong language. Children are advised to leave the room or otherwise cover their ears. Viewer discretion is advised. Viewer discretion is advised.
Pentagon is fucking lighting up with Domino's delivery orders.
Wait, this is the tool suite, right? Here's Wondershare. It's like I said, it's pretty drag and drop. I mean, like it even holds your shit up here for you. Like, and then as you clip it and separate it into the stuff, it'll go ahead and cut it up here for you. Super easy. Oh shit! I was like, why do I hear my own voice?
That's not terrible.
It's as simple as fucking drag it to where you need to fucking cut it, right? And then it's self-explanatory. You fucking cut it. Okay, now it's two different things. You can do whatever you want with it. I can like put this video on top of this one and then run these two audios at the same time. There's a whole bunch of shit you could do here without knowing anything. But we go deeper. We got easy access to the audio tracks, right? Even an idiot can up and down their volume. All you got to do is have an ear for it, right? There's guys who are better than me who are here at having an ear for it. This makes it easy as fuck, even if it's like not balanced the right way. Like if you got the tech groove for it, super easy to use, right? Your fade in, fade out, it's all easily labeled, easily findable. You got transition effects, right? Like you guys have played with, you guys remember like back in fucking school, you would play with like what's the word? Like presentations and shit for class, you know what I'm trying to say?
Well, yeah, Windows Movie Maker.
Exactly. So think what
themselves.
You remember how you really always thought to yourself like, oh man, I feel like such a bum because I'm like using the free shit and I can tell I'm using the free shit. Well, this isn't really like that in my opinion. Like it's way harder to tell you're using the free shit. Where do I find, like there's tons of shit. So you got all kinds of fonts for like titles or whatever you want to stick in there, right? So this is how you get your, you know, overlaid verbiage, right? So just to give you an example, right? This is one thing, and then you can adjust this. You change the color, the brightness, right? You know, put a backdrop on it. You do you know, that's what, like literally whatever you can think of. It's actually super fucking easy and it's pretty cleanly labeled. All you got to do is look for it. You know, and then you could see like here's the whole, this is the library they're just giving me for free. Anything with these diamonds, that's premium stuff, but I don't know what they give me or don't give me here, but that's premium stuff. But you can see, right, there's plenty of options, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is just like your baseline shit. Like you can adjust this to really be what you want very easily, but it helps you establish a baseline.
Yeah.
So you got titles, you do transitions. So like if you want to like fade in, fade out at the beginning, middle, or end or whatever, right? You got fade effects, right? Whatever, you know, just like your Windows Movie Maker shit, right? But except cleaner. And there's a ton of these like that are absolutely free, that are absolutely valid, that other guys like, you know, may or may not be using. It's not like outlandish like Movie Maker.
Yeah.
Like it's exactly what you want out of a video editing tool. And then, okay, let's make it even easier. When I'm done, all I gotta do is fucking export. Like it's actually so damn easy. They put all the pertinent stuff in front of you. You even get one last check before you walk out. And you can say, yo, I want you to make sure this is optimized for TikTok. I want you to make sure this is ready to go for YouTube. Like without having to set it up manually, because I know that these the optimizations, bless you, the optimizations for these things are quite simply knowing the formatting. But what if you're too lazy, or what if it's faster to just not fucking deal with that? Well, great, that's what these buttons are for. I love that. But even still, you have access to like, okay, the obvious, right? Like you can change your resolution, you could post adjust your frame rate, so you can even like on the low key, if your setup is kind of shit, you can kind of scale it up depending on how the rest of your computer is, and at least kind of trick them, because that's another perception thing that I saw over time, is if you're not 1080, you ain't shit. You know, like there's a lot of in between there. Like we want to find our way to maximizing the quality. Obviously, I know that it definitely affects you. Like I know for sure, because uploading in 720, like even though the 720 is just fine, and because it's native recorded, and that's what my computer can handle to natively record, they don't fucking care. They'd literally rather watch upscaled 1080. I mean, what else is there to say? You can set it so you're got your, what the fuck is it? Where's the damn thing? I guess that's in project settings, really. Boom, project settings. And then this is basically how I'm setting up the shorts right now, for lack of a better way to do it. Like, I just figured, okay, this was a quick, easy way to get it into format. And then you can see, look, it even tells you, like, hey, this is what Instagram's using, right? They're using a square. They're using 1-to-1. Facebook and, like, generally most shorts, like Reels or Stories, stuff like that, that's a portrait.
Right.
It's optimized for mobile view. And then you'll see this in reflection of the stuff that I already have out there. If you take a look at it on your desktop, you notice there's a lot of blank space on the edges. So there's something that I still have to learn in there to get it to show up the best on both devices. But like the tools are there, like right, like learning that for me is basically just a step away. I just haven't taken that step yet.
It's not hard, but
I'm just not that proficient. Like that's all there, that's literally all there is to it, is I'm simply not that proficient, but I'm learning.
as one will.
Yeah, this happens.
Yeah, so this is sick. I can definitely give you my login or whatever. Like I'll figure out the way to get you in there so that you can have it for free. How's that sound?
Oh, that's awesome, dude. I appreciate
That sounds great. Yeah.
I'd really like to do that. I'd really like to be able to do that.
Yeah,
But
if
I
you send
didn't
it to
have
us,
the
like
full
we'll
arsenal.
even send you some cash.
No. No, it's free. I get it for lifetime for $50. Why the fuck would you do that? I want to help you. No, I appreciate you, but like, not.
Rain back at you.
Yeah, I appreciate you, but don't even worry. I literally wanted to give this to you so bad, and then you showed me that I wanted to. So okay, I'm gonna take the time. So here is
Having
my-
everybody understand and be able to use this tool overall helps everybody in the group. You know what I mean?
precisely.
Having us all have the same understanding, being able to bounce ideas off each other more freely, is gonna just help us all grow independently. So, I mean, you know, that's about what I would chalk that up to.
We growing together.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, everybody's
Yeah.
meant to win here. You know what I mean?
If it costs me nothing to help you out, why would I not? There's a thing where you'll be able to make a certain selection. Ding, ding, ding. Got it. Okay. In case you ever fuck this up, this is the link that I'll give you. What you want to do in here, to make this easy, in case you ever have to do it yourself. Product. Filmora. Platform. You know it. And then version is, again, anything below 13. If any of you are like really like that with the software, which I doubt it because I'm not even, but you can see you get all of the like middle versions in here. So yeah, fuck around. Some of them are a little different. Like I've definitely played with some of these. I'll just use 13.5.1 for the sake of example because it's a pretty stable version to me. It's just my experience. No real other knowledge, like, or facts. It's just my gut, like my performance over time. Sometimes shit crashes, sometimes shit breaks on random versions, like, but usually the closer to the beginning or end of the core version that you are, usually seems to be, at least with these guys, a little bit more stable. We hit the button, should be literally this button, right? And then it'll pop up and it should have a title like this where it says the version 13.051. So once you see this, you know this is gold, and then just run the installer and give them the same credentials that I gave you to get into the website, and you're in, boss. So yeah, there you go. I just gave you $50 for free. That'll be $50 from each of you, though. Stonks.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Thanks, man.
My pleasure. Wow, that was fun, and I'm glad that you said to record that, Eli, because that was a good fucking idea. I like it when you say shit like
Really
that.
good idea. Yeah.
I like it when you say shit like that.